Your iPhone is secretly killing its own battery, and Apple doesn't tell you this. If your phone can't even make it to the end of the day, you're not alone. But there are a few hidden settings that drain your battery in the background, and once you turn them off, your battery life can instantly get way better. Let me show you exactly what they are. 1. Background app refresh. First go to Settings, then scroll and find General and tap on it. Now look for Background app refresh and tap on it. And as you can see from here, when you turn Background app refresh off, apps will not be allowed to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or cellular in background. And turning it off will help preserve battery. You can tap on Background app refresh right here and select off, and this will turn off Background app refresh for every app. But you can leave it at Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then you can turn them off manually, leaving the essential apps you wanted to refresh in the background. For the second settings to turn off, first go to Settings again. Now, scroll to Privacy and Security, then tap on it. Now select Location Services. And the Location Services uses GPS, Bluetooth, and crowdsourced Wi-Fi hotspot to determine your approximate location, and this tends to drain battery a lot. Now, set each app to while using the app, and for apps that don't need location, set them to never. Now, the next settings to turn off is the auto brightness settings. First go to Settings, then scroll to Accessibility. Now tap on Display and Text Size. Now scroll down and find auto brightness and turn it off. Now, manually adjust the brightness at the control center to the level that works best for you. If this video helped you get better battery life, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more iPhone tips like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.